Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive into the top products making waves in the market. Today, we're excited to bring you a countdown of the best-selling tire and wheel tools products on Amazon. These tools are not only essential for any vehicle owner, but also highly rated by customers for their reliability and efficiency. So without any delay, let's get started and uncover the must-have tools that are topping the charts. Number 5 on our countdown of best-selling tire and wheel tools on Amazon is the Astro Eye Tire Pressure Gauge Digital Zero, 150 psi, featuring precise accuracy down to 0.1 increments. Imagine the frustration of trying to read an analog gauge in low light. With Astro AI's backlit LCD display and lighted nozzle, visibility in dimly lit areas is no longer an issue. This tool is a perfect stocking stuffer for both men and women, ensuring everyone can maintain correct tire pressure with ease. Designed for accuracy and convenience, the digital display provides instant, clear readings, eliminating the guesswork. Whether you're working with Schrader valves or Presta stems, thanks to the included valve adapter, this gauge forms a perfect seal and delivers quick, accurate readings in 4 settings: 0, 150 psi, 0 to 10 bars, 0 to 10 kilograms force per square centimeter, or 0 to 1000 kilopascals. Using it is a breeze. Just press the on/unit/off button to power on. Select your preferred range and let the tool automatically shut off after 30-40 seconds to conserve battery life. The non-slip texture and ergonomic design make it comfortable for any user to hold, regardless of hand size. No need for calibration or resets. The gauge automatically resets when taking pressure. The versatility of this tool extends to cars, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, and more, making it an essential item for any vehicle owner. Astro AI ensures quality with every unit. If there's any issue due to shipping or functionality, returns are straightforward. Their commitment to excellent products and customer service is unparalleled. Astro AI Tire Pressure Gauge Digital Zero, 150 psi, precision, convenience, and reliability in one. Coming in at number 4 on our list of best-selling tire and wheel tools on Amazon is the Fix-A-Flat Aerosol Tire Repair and Inflator. This little yellow can is a game changer when it comes to emergency flat tire solutions. Imagine you're on the road miles from help and suddenly a flat tire. No need to panic. With Fix-A-Flat, you simply connect, inflate, and go. This eco-friendly formula not only repairs but also inflates your tire, lifting the rim off the ground in seconds. Fix-A-Flat seals small tread punctures up to 1/4 of an inch in diameter. Now, with a capability to seal punctures 33% larger than before, it's no wonder this product has been trusted for 50 years. Perfect for standard tires, this 16 ounces can is a must-have for any roadside emergency kit. No jack, no problem. No tools, don't worry. And the best part? It's safe for TPMS, tire pressure monitoring systems, ensuring that your tire sensors remain unharmed. Fix-A-Flat's updated design features a modern performance top, making it even more user-friendly and environmentally conscious. Gone are the days of struggling with a bulky spare tire. Just store this can in your trunk and you're prepared for anything. Remember, Fix-A-Flat is a temporary fix. Get your tire professionally repaired within 3 days or after driving 100 miles to ensure long-lasting safety. With Fix-A-Flat, Aerosol Tire Repair and Inflator, you're never caught off guard by a flat tire again. Efficient, reliable, and eco-friendly, it's the ultimate roadside companion. Number 3 on our countdown of best-selling tire and wheel tools on Amazon is the Astro Eye Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator, an exceptional piece of equipment designed to make tire maintenance a breeze. This versatile tool offers advanced accuracy, professionally calibrated to deliver readings within 1% of the exact pressure, ensuring no more guessing games. With a measurement range from 0 to 250 psi, you can trust its precision. Proper tire inflation is crucial for safety, performance, and efficiency. The Astro Eye Tire Pressure Gauge helps you maintain optimal tire pressure, which improves your vehicle's performance in all weather conditions, reduces the risk of flats, explosions, and crashes, and increases your MPG, saving you money on fuel and tire wear. This all-in-one tool is a game changer. It includes an inflator, a straight locking chuck, a gauge, a hose, and a bleed valve, all in one compact unit. Whether you need to deflate, inflate, or simply check your tire pressure, this gauge has you covered. Compatible with both 1/4 and 1/2 NPT air compressor outputs, it offers unparalleled versatility. Constructed from heavy-duty stainless steel and high-quality brass components, the Astro II Inflator is built to last. Its leak-proof lock-on chuck can handle pressure from various vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, SUVs, off-road vehicles, RVs, and trailers. This robust design ensures reliable performance every time. Efficiency is key with the Astro II digital tire pressure gauge. It automatically turns on when pressurized air is detected and shuts off after 20 seconds of inactivity, conserving battery life. The Astro II digital tire pressure gauge with inflator is a must-have for anyone looking to maintain their tires effortlessly. Its precision, durability, and convenience make it a standout choice for all your tire maintenance needs. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling tire and wheel tools on Amazon? Don't let the air out of your excitement. Tire yourself up and like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tools. Number 2 on our list of best-selling tire and wheel tools on Amazon is the DEWALT 20V MAX Tire Inflator. This compact and portable powerhouse is designed for ultimate convenience and efficiency, making tire maintenance a seamless task. First, let's talk about its high-pressure inflation mode with automatic shutoff. Imagine setting it up, and it does the job for you, stopping precisely when the tire reaches the desired pressure. No more guesswork, no more overinflation, just perfect results every time. But that's not all. This inflator boasts high volume inflation and deflation modes. Whether you need to inflate a tire quickly or deflate it with ease, this tool handles both with finesse. Now, think about those dimly lit situations where you're struggling to see what you're doing. The built-in LED light provides essential illumination, ensuring you can work confidently even in low light conditions. Versatility is key with the DEWALT 20V MAX Tire Inflator. It offers 3 power sources. Use the 20V MAX battery for cordless convenience, plug into a 12V DC outlet when on the road, or use a 110V AC outlet for maximum power. This flexibility ensures you're never without the capability to inflate your tires. Keeping everything organized is a breeze with the onboard accessory storage. No more hunting for the right attachment. It's all right there, ready when you need it. Stability matters, and DEWALT has you covered with heavy-duty rubber feet that help reduce movement when the inflator is in use. You can count on this tool to stay put, even during vigorous inflation tasks. Lastly, the threaded chuck ensures a secure connection to the inflation valve, providing peace of mind that the inflator is firmly attached and delivering accurate, efficient results. The DEWALT 20V MAX Tire Inflator, compact, portable, and packed with features designed to make tire maintenance easy and reliable. Finally, at the pinnacle of our countdown, number 1 on our list of best-selling tire and wheel tools on Amazon is the Flat Tire Repair Kit with Plugs, a comprehensive 31-piece set by Auton. This kit is the ultimate solution for all your tire puncture repair needs. Crafted with professional quality in mind, the Auton tire repair kits are made from refined, high-quality steel. Each component has been meticulously upgraded to meet stringent audit standards. This means you're equipped with a kit capable of tackling even the toughest tires on the market. Durability and safety are paramount. The tire puncture repair set boasts exceptional adhesion, flexibility, and shock absorption. It's built to resist aging, ensuring a long shelf life and the best possible tire airtightness. You can trust this kit to withstand the rigors of tire repair, providing peace of mind with every use. Versatility is a standout feature of the Auton 31-piece tire repair kit. It's designed to handle all types of tires, whether on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, lawnmowers, RVs, Jeeps, or trucks. This makes it an essential tool for drivers and mechanics alike, ready to meet a wide range of tire repair needs. Ease of use is another highlight. The kit includes everything you need, from a T-handle to a spiral probe tool, making the process of piercing any tire straightforward and hassle-free. Plus, the portable storage case is compact, ensuring you can carry this indispensable kit wherever you go without it taking up much space. And let's not forget quick action and excellent customer service. Auton is dedicated to ensuring customer satisfaction. They take responsibility for product quality and are always available to assist with any questions or concerns, demonstrating their commitment to outstanding customer service. In conclusion, the Flat Tire Repair Kit with Plugs by Auton is a professional, durable, and versatile solution for all your tire repair needs. This top-rated kit ensures you're always prepared, no matter what tire trouble comes your way. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling tire and wheel tools on Amazon. To stay updated on all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.